Chapter 1. How to make a website. Learn by Smart Global Digital Hub, a beginner's guide.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Soft Global Digital Hub. Today I'll show you how beginners can create a complete website using AI tools without coding for beginners. On this channel, you'll learn about AI tools, website creation, SEO, blogging, and digital marketing. So, let's start creating your AI-powered website. Step 1. Buy domain name, that is your URL, and hosting. A domain name is your website address, like yourwebsite.com. Hosting is a platform where your website files are stored online. You can use platforms like Hostinger, Namecheap, GoDaddy, used commonly. Here, you can use platforms like Hostinger because it provides AI website builder tools that are beginner-friendly. Choose a hosting plan from Hostinger platform and register your domain name. Complete the sign-up process and move ahead.